pride is on display with this graduation stenciled yard sign project from Oak Lane Studio. First, give your blank signs a coat of your chosen background color and allow to dry completely. Next, mask off the letters of your stencil using frog tape painter's tape. Now, spray the backside of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Position the stencil on your sign and gently press into place. Use paper or cardboard to protect the outer edges of the sign from overspray. Apply the next color in light, even coats. Now, peel away the entire stencil assembly. On the stencil, remove just the tape covering the numbers that you'll be using next. Mask off the top portion of the stencil using paper or frog tape. Next, cover any remaining numbers except the one you'll be painting next. Position the stencil so that the number is in the correct location. If desired, add small pieces of tape to mark where the center of the numbers will be located. Repeat the process for the next number. Wipe away any wet paint and place tape over the previous number. If desired, add more tape to mark the top edge of the number line and measure to ensure consistent number spacing. For repeat numbers, reposition the stencil and paint as you did earlier. Once finished, simply remove the stencil and any remaining tape. Add the wire stand and your sign is ready to celebrate all the new grads. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.